How's it going, everyone? So, for those of you that have been liking my videos and following me, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what I upgraded to. I've been milling these logs, trying to do a lot of wood projects around the property, and help me build a lot of things that I need to have done. So, I've been using this Stihl 182 MS182, and it fires right up. Like, I like this saw. As a beginner DIYer, this was a great saw for a lot of small projects. But now my projects are getting out of hand. They're getting really big, more complex, and this saw can't keep up with it. I've been using this saw in this mill outfit, and I cut through a single bar within a year already. So I had to upgrade the bar from a 16 inch to an 18 inch, and I was still using it. But a lot of the logs I was cutting, it wasn't wide enough for those logs. I've had to mill it on the sides and on the top. I had to square it up. Just a lot of work to do. So now what I'm going to do, or what I did, is I'm going to use this saw to cut down all of the logs I'm going to be using. With the 18-inch bar, that's more than enough. And it still eats like it's something else, so it's great. This is a great all-around basic saw for all your beginner needs. Now what I've got, I made an upgrade. So I was going to go with Stihl, but I had to limit my funds on all the new tools I needed to get for my projects. So I had to spread the funds a little bit more. Doing some research, I still like Stihl, but I got the 460 Rancher from Husqvarna. I think that's how you say it, Husqvarna. I don't know. But I have not used this yet. I hooked it up. I was able to extend this out another 6 inches, going from the 16-inch bar and the 18-inch bar I was using on the Stihl. Now I'm up to 24 inches. So from 16 to 18, 18 to 24. With the 24-inch bar, now I've got an 18-inch spread because of the distances for the ends. So I'm now 18 to 20 inches wide now, which is about the width of all my logs. So I've not used this yet. I've heard a lot of good things about a lot of DIYers, a lot of small businesses use them, and I'm excited. Though it starts a little bit differently, and it's still going to be not what I really want for the size logs I'm going to be milling. But I'm going to give it a shot, and I think it'll be all right. Okay. So this is going to be the Husqvarna's maiden voyage. I've ran it a little bit, got it lubed up, got it oiled and everything. Now I'm going to see, this will be the first log it'll cut. I've got lots of logs out there I'm going to need to cut, but this will be the first one. So let's see how it does. I'm excited. Now it's got to get it started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choke. Yep. Let's go right here. Wow, that cut through that so much faster than well, obviously it's twice the size of it. Geez, that cut through nice. Oh, hey. I'm making a mess. That is pretty. Wow. Had a couple of hiccups. Got stuck. But that cut it really well, I think. I think that did a phenomenal job.